Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're designing in Figma and want to connect pages or screens and making texts clickable, this is something you absolutely need to know for keeping things organized, sharing prototypes, or sharing your designs with clients. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to link pages in Figma, step by step. First thing you do is open your Figma project. Start by opening your design file in Figma. Make sure you already have multiple pages or frames created. These will act as your screens. After that, you go to the left-hand side toolbar and right-click on the page you want to link with. From the menu that pops up, click on Copy Link to Page. And once you've copied a direct link to that specific page in your Figma file, you'll want to connect that page to a piece of text in your design. Go to the text you want to use as a link, then click and select that text layer. Then, on your right-hand toolbar, above the text fonts and colors, you can find a chain link icon. This will give you the option to add a hyperlink to the selected text. Click on the icon and paste the link of the page you copied. Once you press Enter and apply the link, the text instantly changes from being just a visual design element into something functional and interactive. Instead of simply sitting on the screen as decoration, it now acts like a real, clickable link that users can engage with. This means when someone clicks on it in your prototype, it will actually trigger an action, such as navigating to another page or screen, making your design feel more like a real, working product rather than a static layout. So, a quick recap. You open your Figma project, right-click on the page you want to link with, and copy the link. Go back to the first page, select the text you want to link with, and paste. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple design tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what are you building in Figma right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.